Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple shadow text effect in Photoshop. First, select the Type tool and write your text. I am using the word shadow for this example. Increase the size of the text while holding down the Shift key to maintain proportions. Next, make a copy of the text by pressing Ctrl+J, drag the copied text. Change its color to black to create the shadow base. Right-click on the copied text and convert it to a smart object. With the shadow copy layer still selected, press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform. Right-click inside the transform box and choose Flip Vertical. This flips the shadow text upside down to simulate a realistic reflection. Then, right-click again and choose Perspective to adjust the angle of the shadow, making it look like it fades into the background naturally. Drag the edges of the shadow layer to your liking and press Enter to apply the transformation. Now, add a layer mask to the copied layer. Select the Gradient tool while the mask is active, and apply a black to white gradient to make the shadow smoothly fade out. Finally, select the shadow layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and adjust the blur amount depending on your background to make the shadow softer and more realistic. And that's it. Your shadow text effect is ready.